What to do after court. Before you leave court, know what the next steps are. If you do not know what happens after your trial or hearing, ask the court clerk. The court may send you a decision. If the judge did not decide your case while you were at court, she took it under advisement. Under advisement means the judge writes a decision later and sends it in the mail. Watch your mail and open anything that comes from the court. If you don't understand it, take it to the clerk's office to get help. You have 10 days to appeal. If you do not like the decision you get from the judge, you can appeal it within 10 days of the entry of judgment. This date is written on the judgment paper. Visit www.masslegalhelp.org to learn how to appeal. Once the landlord has the execution, he must take it to a sheriff or constable who will serve it on you. The execution gives you 48 hours notice of when the constable will come back to physically remove you from the property. On the day and time listed on the execution, a moving truck and constable will come to your home to remove you and your things and change the locks. Try to move out your things before this happens. If you do not, your things will go to a storage facility and you will have to pay to get them out. If you cannot move your things out, pack a bag with some clothing and all of your important documents and medications before the constable comes. There are ways to delay an eviction after judgment has been entered. If you receive the judgment and do not have a place to go, ask the court to stay the execution. If you are elderly or disabled and this is a no-fault case, you are more likely to get a stay. Tell the judge what steps you are taking to try to move. If you receive a 48-hour notice and do not have a place to go, you can file an emergency temporary restraining order with the court to try to delay the eviction. There is a fee for filing the case, but if you're low income, you should ask to fill out an affidavit of indigency to get the fee waived. Ask your landlord if you can work it out. This might be hard after she already has a judgment and execution, but you can try. Remember, there can be negative consequences of eviction. It may be harder to get future housing, state-funded shelter, or to keep your Section 8 if you are evicted. Stand up for your rights in the court process and talk to a lawyer to minimize the damage of an eviction. The information in this video is not legal advice. We're not telling you what you should do. If you have an eviction case, talk to a lawyer. Look for a free legal aid lawyer near you at www.masslegalhelp.org/findlegalaid.